So let's start. So very easy pattern. I'm gonna show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I'm gonna make yarn over in second stitch. So this first row I'm gonna make all with half crochet, half double crochet, half crochet. So always till at the end you should have, if you want to make baby blanket, if you want to make 84 chains, you should have an 83 half double crochet, or you can say half crochet. So I made 24, I should have at the end 23 for this pattern, half crochet. So easy and very good pattern. I hope you will love this pattern. Use this multiple, actually this multiple 2 as well. So easy, so nice pattern. So I have 23 half crochet, chain 1. So here I'm gonna make half crochet at the end. Next stitch I'm gonna make slip stitch, then I'm gonna make half crochet, then slip stitch, next half crochet, then next stitch slip stitch, half crochet, then next slip stitch, half crochet, then slip stitch. So you can make set for baby or you can make heart. This is so pretty for heart, this pattern. Slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, then last one half, should have half, chain 1, again first one half crochet, then slip stitch, then half, then slip stitch, then half, then slip stitch, then half slip stitch, half slip stitch, then half slip stitch, half, then slip stitch, half slip stitch, half slip stitch, half slip stitch. Don't miss anyone. Then always at the end half, then chain one. Continue like this. Always first one half, next slip stitch, half, next slip stitch, half, then slip stitch, then half, then slip stitch, half, 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 slip stitch, at the end half crochet always. So I hope you will understand this pattern. I will show you at the end. Okay viewers, I'm gonna stop my pattern. So if you want to make baby blanket, you have to this half double crochet round when you finish your blanket. Make 60 rows, then start this with make a half crochet round, then after that you can start border. So this is so easy. You can make so many things with this pattern. Heart, baby blanket, so many things. So it's very easy. Even beginner can make this pattern. I hope you love this pattern. So if you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.